If not, greatly appreciated opportunity to resubmit. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be talking about our cell structures, how they group together, and how they form different types of tissues. The primary types of tissues that are in our body are going to be our epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Together, these tissues combine and they aid in the formation of organs, which then, in correlation, combine into our organ systems. So, to get started, we're going to go ahead and talk about epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue covers all body surfaces, both inside and outside of our body. It is considered avascular, meaning that there is no blood supply of its own. And this type of tissue is actually classified by its cell shape. Different cell shapes in this structure include squamous, cuboidal, and columnar. And we can go ahead and describe them by the layers. So simple meaning one layer, stratified meaning multiple layers. Um, Epithelial tissue helps protect, absorb, and filtrate, as well as aid in our ability to have sensation. Three common locations for epithelial tissue are going to include our skin surface, which is going to be our stratified squamous, our kidney tubules, which is going to be our simple cuboidal, and our lining of our intestines, which is going to be our simple columnar. So, quick little image here, simple image of epithelial tissue. Again, it's lining all of our body organs, protecting some type of shield, some type of wall here, and protection and aid throughout our body. Moving on to connective tissue, it is the most abundant and widely distributed tissue in our body. This is very well vascularized throughout our body, and it consists of cells that are made in the extracellular matrix. Collagen, elastin, and reticular are all substances found within the connective tissue. Functions of connective tissue include structural support, binding our organs together, helping with our energy storage, immune defenses, and transport of blood through the connective tissue. Three common locations of connective tissue are going to include our tendons, ligaments, which are going to be our regular connective tissue, more on the dense side, as well as under our skin. That's going to be our loose connective tissue, and alongside our bones, which is our osseous tissue. So again, simple kind of image here of connective tissue. Think of everything being connected, right? Um, and the cells just coming together to join in that connection.